Welcome back to another crypto video. Hi everyone, what's good? I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for jumping back into another video. Firstly, if you're new here, do subscribe to the ever-growing channel. It's great to see the supporters and all the newcomers along here. It's fantastic to see as well. So thank you so much, guys. Today we're going to look at Pocket Network, or Pocket, ranked 124, trading at $0.77. We can see the market cap is still relatively low at 613 million. So really big potential for this Web3 project. And let's just remind ourselves of what Pocket Network is. So Pocket Network is a blockchain data platform built for applications that use cost-efficient economics to coordinate and distribute data at scale. Whoa, that's a lot of big words. So this enables seamless interactions between blockchains and applications. With Pocket, the use of blockchains can simply be integrated into websites, mobile apps, etc., and much more. So Pocket Network is an unstoppable blockchain data ecosystem for Web3 applications, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's a beautiful website, a beautiful concept, and it's got a massive potential future. It's not like our layer 1 infrastructure projects, but I see that we've got similar growth potential in the long term. If you were to look at some projects such as the infrastructure tokens from before, these are some of the returns that they had. So for example, FTM 12,000%, Solana gave us 14,000%, Ethereum gave us 2,000%. Now I'm using these sort of returns as a barometer for what can potentially happen with Pocket Network. So let's have a look at also the Pocket Pool update. Massive passive income potential. As we can see, the Pocket Pool update here is on its 21st tranche now, with 2,900 plus members staking varied amounts of Pocket. So really cool for DeFi degens out there. 187,000 Pocket rewards in the tranche. That's an average reward of 89.65 per node per day. Active nodes 2,789. Total staked is 42.8 million Pockets. So that's really cool to see there, guys. As you can see, there's a tweet here. This is a guide on how to buy and stake Pocket on Pocket Pool to earn passive income. So if you do a bit of research, guide, you can find this on the blog, on the Pocket Network website. It's all here if you want to have a real deep sea dive on what this particular thing is. So Pocket Network trading at $0.77, ranked 124, 613 million market cap, so relatively young still. We can see here on the 30 days we're down 40%, on the 2 weeks we're down 40%. Sorry, I just said that. On the 7 days we're down 18%. So we have been in a continued downtrend for quite some time, but I'm starting to see this descending triangle form. What was interesting is that we did hold this consolidation range here, this sideways channel, for quite a long time, and this is the 4-hour time frame right here, and only did we break that when we had the geopolitical FUD with Russia and everything else. So we're back under that 20-day moving average. We RSI is looking pretty good, but we haven't really seen any bullish crossover on the MACD for some time now. We had a bearish crossover here, but it slowly ticked back over, and now we're just kind of sitting neutral. So there's no real reversal playing out. We're just seeing this tight consolidation around this 0.77 level, which is quite good. Now, what I am noticing is a potential descending triangle play, and depending on what the rest of the market does could dictate what could happen here. If we look at our descending triangle, this is a graphical representation of the descending triangle here. We can see in 54% of the cases the exit is bearish, which means that we potentially could get a drop to the downside to around 0.51. Now I don't think that's going to happen. Reason being is that a lot of this is anomalous, kind of like March 2020 when we had external influence on the market, which was anomalous in the sense that it doesn't usually happen, and when it does, there's going to be a lot of volatility that sort of invalidates projects in terms of their strength and the actual trend that was originally there beforehand. And I think this wick here demonstrates a massive amount of buying pressure. So I think that's very important to consider. We're not really getting a lot of volume, but the RSI is neither overbought or oversold. So I think if we can hold this position, I think we're more likely to get a bounce to the upside here, maybe create some sort of double bottom, and maybe we're going to retarget a resistance level. Where are you, price box thingy? Yep, I think we're going to perhaps target the 0.97, but we've also got this 0.53 technical target, and also a lot of support here. So just kind of note these down as key areas, the 0.53, the $0.69, also that $0.97 level of support, resistance over here, which would be one of our technical targets. So I'm really anticipating that we're going to at least break to the upside here. As I say, it's a 54% chance the exit's bearish, and in 61% of cases a descending triangle is a continuation pattern, and we can see that's continuation of downside movement. So will we see continuation to downside is what we're wondering. So you could potentially say that the short term there is a bearish sentiment, but in the long term for Pokt, the growth opportunity is absolutely tremendous, and we're talking about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000% gains because the market cap is so low. If this project does take off in the future, a 10x 1000% would only be a $6 billion market cap. So that's not very high. We can see the circulating supply is 789 million, and the total supply is 953. So we're almost fully diluted as well. Pokt, amazing project. Not financial advice, but it is one that I'm slowly going to be loading up on over time, and I think it's really good. So yeah guys, just want to say before I exit the video, massive thanks to the 5 patrons. If you want to be a patron, literally the price of a coffee, one of those caffeine kicks that you usually go for in the morning or after a busy afternoon. If you want to be a patron, you're going to get that premium Discord access. You'll get this ebook here, complete free of charge. I wrote myself. You'll get one-on-one messaging and access to future giveaways. So do all those things if you want to support the channel. Thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next one.